Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Power to Edu.
We will be discussing about the various laws of indices. So we have certain sets of rules. This will help you to calculate the complex power, complex equations given. Okay. So for example, if we have x to the power y, so this y is known as index and this x is known as the base. Okay, so we have certain sets of rules. So let's quickly discuss all of them. So we have first rule with us which says anything to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is always 1. For example, if you have 2 to the power 0, it is always 1. Or x to the power 0, it will always 1. So this is the first rule. Okay, you have second rule which says a to the power minus m. A raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power minus a to the power m. Okay, a to the power minus m is equal to a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. So for example, if we have 2 to the power minus 2, this will be written as 1 by 2 to the power 2, which is 1 by 2 to the power 1 by 4 only. Okay, very simple. Okay, so power will get reversed if you write it like this. Okay, this will get positive. Okay, if you take it upside, it will again get reversed. Okay, so if you take it upside, so it will become 2 to the power minus 2. Very simple. Let's move to the next. So we have this third rule, okay, where we have a to the power m into a to the power n. If the base is same, then the power will get plus. Okay, for example, if you have 2 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 9, so you can write it as 2 to the power 9 plus 5, okay, which will help you 2 to the power 9 5 14. Okay, so this is third one. Now we have fourth rule which says if it is divided, if this a to the power m is divided by a to the power n, then in this case the power gets subtracted. Okay, so for example, if you have x to the power 4 and x to the power 2, okay, so this is x to the power 4 minus 2, which is x to the power 2 only. Okay, another way of solving this is you can write x and you write x. Okay, this will get, okay, only 2 are remaining, so it is x square only. Okay, so another rule we have is this: when a to the power m is also raised to the power n, so in this case the power get multiplied. Okay, so for example, if you have 5 to the power 2 to the power 6, so you can write it as 5 to the power 12 in simplest form. Okay, if you have something like this formula, if something to the power raised to the power 1 by m, so it can be written like this. Okay, so for example, if you have 2 to the power 9 2 to the power 1 by 9, okay, so in this you will write it as 9, 2 here, 9 here. Very simple. Okay, we'll see other example, complex example other than this. So we have another equation with us. So this is basically a to the power m by n, which is equal to a to the power, you can write it as 1 by n here, and to the power raised to the power m. Okay, simple. Now this a to the power 1 by n can be written as like this. So this is n to the power root a to the power m. Now let's discuss the last rule, which is a to the power m by n. So this can be written as a to the power 1 by n to the power raised to the power m. Okay, let's see an example of this. So we have given it like this. So example, 125 raised to the power 2 by 3. Okay, now you need to solve it. Okay, so according to this, we can write this as 125 to the power 1 by 3 and square of it. Okay, now the cube root of 125 is 5. Okay, cube root is very simple. You can prime factorize this number, which can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. It is to the power 1 by 3 and it is square. So this is 5 cube. Okay, to the power 1 by 3 to the power 2. Now remember, this can be multiplied, so this can be written as 5 3 by 3 square. Okay, the 3 will 3 get cancelled, so final we left with 5 square, which is equal to 25. 5. Answer. Okay. So let's have another example where we have given the equation 3 to the power m8 3 m8 in n cube divided by 3 m8 n3 to the power raised to the power 0. So remember, by the rule, anything to the power 0 is 1. So we can write this as 1. Okay, so remaining answer will be 3 m8 n cube. So this is the simplest answer. Okay, so let's discuss last example of this lecture, which is 32 x to the power 10 divided by y to the power 5 and total power of 3 by 5. Okay, so we try to solve this. So we can prime factorize this number. Though this can be written as 2 to the power 5 x to the power 10 y to the power 5 whole. So 1 by 5 can be taken inside and 3 can be taken outside. So now this power will get divided to each of this 2 x and y. So this can be written as 2 5 by 5 x 10 by 5 and y 5 by 5 whole to the power 3. Okay, so this will get cancelled, this will 2 remain. Now this is cancelled. Okay, so now we are left with 2 into x square by y to the power 3, which is equal to 8 x to the power 6 over y cube. So this is the answer of this equation. Hope you like the video. Please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.